We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
An SSD will load everything faster, but RAM can keep more stuff open at once. If you find your computer being unbearably slow in literally everything it does, an SSD is the way to go. But if, for example, your computer only starts acting up once you open your lots of tabs, you'll want the RAM boost.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.